Oh, damn, that was a fucking good one. Ooh. Whew. See if we can get the back too. Oh, that was my elbow. See. I don't know if you heard that. Yeah. Mr. Morning Crack Stevenson. Out.